Good morning, children. Today I will discuss electromotive force, EMF half cell. It is the difference between the electrode potentials of two half cells. How can you define this? It is the difference between the electrode potentials of two half cells. These half cells, already you have been studied cathode and anode. Okay. So it is the difference between the electrode potentials of two half cells and cause flow of current from electrode of higher potential to the electrode of lower potential. It is okay, and it can be calculated as E naught of cell is equals to E naught cathode minus E naught anode. So at very first, we go through the definition with detailed discussion of electromotive force. Now, children, there is a series, electrochemical series in your book, in NCERT book and reference book, everywhere it is mentioned. I am going to discuss that series, electrochemical series. It is the arrangement of electrodes in increasing order of their standard reduction potential. Means, what is the electrochemical series? Electrochemical series is arranged for the electrodes according to their increasing reduction potential. And how we have to measure the reduction potential? In that series, from top value means positive to negative, downward negative value, and topward positive value. So positive to negative, the series running down. Here I am showing 2 or 3 examples, children. E naught is standard electrode potential, so called reduction potential of cupric ion, Cu++ ion gains 2 electron, becomes copper metal. Okay, so the reduction potential is of 0.34, whereas for Cu+ gains 1 electron, goes up to Cu 0.52. Likewise, iron, ferrous, Fe++ gains 2 electron, goes up to Fe minus 0.44. It is okay. So this is the reduction potential. Reduction potential of iron is minus negative value 0.44, and reduction potential of cupric 0.34, cuprous 0.52. So all these reduction potentials are mentioned positive to negative value top to bottom. In that particular series you have to go through. And now applications of electrochemical series. What are the applications are used? The first point, the lower the value of E naught, standard electrode potential, the greater is the tendency to form cation. What you will consider from that series means the lower the value of E naught, the greater is the tendency to form cation. Among Cu++, Cu+, and Fe2+, these three cations are, these three metals are there now, and the E naught standard electrode potentials are mentioned here. Which have the lowest value? Fe. It has negative value minus 0.44. So it will tend to form cation very easily as compared to that of the copper. So the lower the value of E naught, the greater is the tendency to form cation. Now the second point, reactivity increases down the group. In that series, in electrochemical series, reactivity increases down the group. Third point, reducing character increases down the group in that particular series. And how can we calculate the EMF? That is E RHS minus E LHS, means cathode minus anode. And fifth point, more the reduction potential, more will be the oxidizing power. So children, better you go through and revise electromotive force with definition and discussion. Finally go through the discussion and revision of electrochemical series, and these applications of electrochemical series and particular series you have to go through. Now Nernst equation regarding calculation of E naught and EMF of cell. Nernst have given an equation that is called Nernst equation, and what is that? It shows the relationship between concentration of ions and electrode potential. For example, here it is given M n plus number of electron gain and goes up to reduction. Very simple. Suppose copper cation Cu++ cations in solution gains 2 electron and reduces to copper. It is okay. In the same phenomenon, is here. So he formulated the electrode potential of that half cell will be considered the standard electrode potential of that particular half cell minus 2.303 RT upon N into log 1 upon molar concentration of the solution. R is the gas constant, T the room temperature 298 Kelvin. After this calculation we will get in here another equation. Standard E naught of the cell minus 0.0591 upon M log 1 upon molar concentration of the solution of that particular cell. So this equation is verified by this example. Copper solution having 2 positive cations and gains 2 electron goes up to reduction Cu plus metal. What will be there? The electrode potential of that particular half cell will be considered the standard electrode potential of the cell minus 2.303 RT upon M and 1 upon molar concentration of the copper cation solution. So this is the equation called Nernst equation. Nernst have given another position when any reaction is maintaining the equilibrium. Suppose this is a reaction, A and B are the reactant, C and D are the products, small a, small b, small c and small d are their particular coefficients. So what will be the cell reaction? Means cell equation will be electromotive force of that particular cell is equals to standard electrode potential of the cell E naught of the cell minus 2.303 RT upon M log C raised to power C, D raised to power D upon A raised to power A, B raised to power B. Ultimately, this value is considered to be Kc. So at equilibrium means at equilibrium, the electromotive force means E cell of that particular cell becomes 0. At equilibrium, what becomes 0? E cell. But the value of E naught of cell is something. So at equilibrium, if E cell is 0, then we can write E naught of the cell will be considered 0.0591 upon M log Kc. This is formula. And in case of Gibbs free energy, this formula is also given here. Del G naught is equals to N F the Faraday's number, E naught shell. So in this topic and chapter, I have discussed children electromotive force with explanation, electrochemical series with explanation and applications of electrochemical series. Even I have proposed and given you the Nernst equation, and this Nernst equation had other two formulas. Means at very first you apply this formula, E of the cell is equals to E naught of the cell minus this 2.303 RT upon M, or in place of this value you have to write 0.0591 upon M log molar concentration of the solution. At equilibrium you will apply the formula E naught of cell is equals to 0.0591 upon M log Kc, and if it is as free energy, then in the terms of free energy change, del G naught is equal to M F E naught cell. So ultimately this topic is over, and in next topic we will discuss something more. Thank you. Have a nice day.